Today we are looking at the Beko CFP1675DS Fridge Freezer in silver. Visit the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information. Choose the Beko CFP1675DS Fridge Freezer in cool silver for flexible storage and tasteful design. Non-plumbed water dispenser. The cool, fresh still water dispenser is made even better by being unplumbed, meaning you don't have to uproot your whole kitchen to install it. What's more, the slimline water tank is easy to fill and takes up hardly any space in the fridge. Cool freezer features. Beko have implemented some great features in their CFP1675DS Fridge Freezer to provide your family with safe, efficient storage. For example, the frost-free freezer prevents ice building up around the extractor, which restricts your valuable storage space, plus it means no more manual defrosting. Additionally, the included ice bank tray is really handy for making and storing ice cubes. Versatile storage, with clear freezer drawer fronts, full-width commodity racks in the door and revisable door handles, this Beko Fridge Freezer really does provide all the useful storage any busy family needs in their kitchen. A+ energy rating. The Beko CFP1675DS appliance is A+ energy rated, which means it is a way of keeping your energy bills low, as well as being kind to the environment. The Beko CFP1675DS Fridge Freezer is a well-appointed storage system for keeping the weekly shop healthy and fresh. Please consult with installation experts to carry out door reversal. Beko's Freezer Guard technology uses an electronic temperature control system, ensuring the freezer carries on working even when ambient temperatures plummet as low as 15 degrees Celsius. Click on the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information and to get the cheapest price for this appliance.